Welcome to this guide on accessing Consumer Price Index data from the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation's CPI Warehouse. Now we will learn how to access CPI and inflation data. To begin, visit the CPI Warehouse at. This is the home for all CPI-related data sets. CPI Warehouse can also be accessed from the home page of MOSPI website by clicking on first section of blue navigation bar. Let's first understand how to navigate the dashboard. Once on the home page, you will see the main dashboard. A brief introduction of CPI compiled by MOSPI is given in the home page. Now let's learn how to select a data set. On the left panel, all the CPI data is available. Under the Time Series tab, you can access state-wise group and subgroup indices for the current series and back series. Drop-down menu may be used to select the desired category. By choosing specific year, month, state and group, you can further refine your search. Now click on View Indices. You can also download the data in CSV, Excel, Word and in PDF format. Under the Annual Inflation Rates tab, corresponding inflation rates may be seen and downloaded. Under the All India Item Index tab, combined sector for both the current series, base 2012 and old series base 2010, All India Item Index may be seen. From All India Item Inflation Rates tab, corresponding inflation rates may be seen and downloaded. Under the Imputed Index April-May 2020 tab, you can view imputed CPI for groups and subgroups for the period April to May 2020, when the data could not be collected due to COVID. Cross-tab View tab may be explored to view and download the above discussed data sets in Cross-tab View. Under the Weights tab for current series 2012, group or subgroup level weights, All India Item Combined Weights and group or subgroup wise state share may be viewed. For 2010 series, weights are available for groups and All India combined. Additional resources. The Publication tab offers detailed documents on CPI methodology, and more technical information is available under Metadata. Press Releases. In this section, all press releases are available. Select a year and month for PDF download. Annexures in Excel. Here, selecting a year and month allows for the download of comprehensive Excel sheets containing detailed CPI and CFPI data, including weights. That's how simple it is to access CPI data. For more information, visit the FAQ section on the website. We are currently working on updating the CPI base year on the basis of Household Consumption Expenditure Survey 2023-24. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. See you next time.